to start with the halo, I started with yellow color. I chain 70 stitches, 70 chain, which is all in total 29, roughly 29 centimeters. So I will start now with the first row. So we will start with normal double crochet all for all the stitches. So I will meet you when I finish the first row. It's gonna be like that, and I will meet you when I finish the first row. After we finish the first round, now I will start with other color, but I need to chain 2 and connect with a slide stitch, so I can start from here. As you can see, this is the first row, and I will go for the next row this way. Now I will start with different color, which is orange, and chain 3. We will cut the yarns and secure them. And later we will cut the yarns or hide them, so it will not show up like that. Now for the next round, I will skip one, then like we started chain, so we will skip the second one, skip the first gap. So the second gap I will make 2 double crochet, then chain 2 and another 2 double crochet, like that, and skip 2 and chain 2 here, skip 2 and connect it with the third one with the slide stitch. That's how it's gonna be. Again, chain 2, then skip 2 and in the third gap, that's how it's gonna look like. We're gonna make again 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, like that, chain 2. As you can see here, we have to keep the same gap, so we left here 2 and we're gonna skip 2 and connect it with the third one with a slide stitch. That's how it's gonna look like, the second row, and I will finish the row and come back to you. I finished here the second row. Now I will cut the yarn from this side and start over from this point with the same color, with orange, to make 2 rows of orange. Then I will start, after when I finish with the with orange, I will start different color. So we will cut it now and secure the yarn. And start over from here with the same color. So chain 2 again, and we will go with the same process, same as the first one. So with instead of chain 2, I will chain 3, then go with the same process, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, like that, and then chain 3 and connect it to the same point with slide stitch, so it will be like that. Then chain 3 and so instead of chaining 2 as before, we're gonna chain 3, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet, and that will be chain 3 and chain, and then connect it with a slide stitch to the same point. I will finish this round and come back to you. Now I finished here the second row of orange. Same thing, I will cut the yarn and from this side and start over from this side. So once we cut it, we start over again from the starting point, which was this one. As I said before, I will secure all these yarns. Once we finish, we're gonna secure them. Now here I'm going to start with red color. So we will start with chain 1, 2, 3, 4. As we started from 2, then we increased it to 4 or to 3. Now it's 4, and we will chain here. We will crochet 3 double crochet, then chain 2 as usual and 3 double crochet again, and that's now chain 3 and connect it to the same point here with a slide stitch, and again chain 3 and 3 double crochet, chain 2, another 3 double crochet, chain 3 and connect it to this point with a slide stitch, and that's will be the fourth row. I will finish this round and come back to you. Now I finished this row, and as we gonna follow the same technique, we will cut the yarn from this side, so that's how it's gonna look like, the halo. For this row I will start with the gold, look like gold color, and I will just go with single crochet all around, chain, then going to be like that, then chain, three, and connect it the same way with a slide stitch, chain 3 and return back to this point and crochet it, single crochet, and this is how will it be. The last row I will finish it and come back to you. And here I finished the last round, and that's how it look like. Then I will secure all the yarns here and come back to you. After we secured all the yarns, I will just put a drop of glue so it will lock it, not to, and I will leave it to dry so it will not open anymore. So, and then we will cut all the extra yarns will wait for the glue to dry. Then I will cut all the yarns. Now it's ready. The halo, we cut all the edges and it's ready to be assembled and attached to the Virgin Mary statue.